Hey, it's Randy from Happy Maple Nursery. And so we just want to give you a couple tips on seedling aftercare. We have some seeds that we sowed here about 8 days ago. Prior to that, we did a soak. So if you want to check out how we do that, check out our other video in the channel. And here we have all of our beautiful seedlings ready to rock. We got really great germination rates. And so now, they popped up. If you're new to this, you might be asking, well, now what? So what you want to do at this stage is begin conditioning these seeds to drier environments. It's going to be quite harsh relative to this cozy environment that they've been into up till now. It's really warm and humid. It's great for sowing seeds and getting those seeds to actually germinate, but it's also great for promoting bacterial and fungal growth at the same time. We don't want that. There's a really common problem called dampening off that'll actually kill your seedlings quite quickly if it is able to establish itself in your trays. It actually cuts off the vascular tissue in these really fragile seedlings and they die quite quickly. So we don't want that. And so all we're going to do, first stage, is just very ever so slightly edge that humidity dome just slightly off our tray. And so what this will do is start to open up the trays and actually drop the humidity a bit. And so this is what you want. These seedlings will begin to toughen up, rely more on their root system. Those roots should start spreading in the medium. And that's all you got to do. So every few days or so, edge it off until maybe about a week or later the tray is completely off. You can just remove it at that point. You're also going to want to keep track and keep a close eye on the moisture in the medium. So really, some of these mediums will dry up quite quickly, so you want to watch that. You can also read the seedlings themselves. See if they're starting to droop and show signs of water stress. That's a good sign that it's time to water. And if you happen to let them go a little too long without water, you can always rehydrate them pretty quickly by popping that humidity dome on them again. Ups the humidity, allows the plants to pull in some moisture through their leaves until the roots are done with them. So we have some other trays here with some sowed seeds just waiting to pop up. You can see this is our other set of seedlings that we sowed at the same time. These are onions, thyme, and oregano, and we've done the same thing here. We just propped the humidity dome ever so slightly off to expose these guys to a little drier environment and start toughening them up. All right, if you like that, please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll keep putting these things out. Take care.